what you sell? You want to tell me about what you sell on the recording?
Oh, yeah man, no problem.
Alright, come. Hi.
Yeah man, right here, you know, I style this. We have corn, roast corn, boiled corn, with butter, with coconut. It's a old school.
How much is
Typical
it?
days, 250.
250 for the roast corn. Anyone?
Anyone.
Alright.
250. I know it's a Asian thing.
Yeah, man, we don't understand.
Well seasoned though. Wild corn, well seasoned. Scallion, pepper, onion, thyme, garlic.
Ginger.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, put that in a greener.
No. Video on YouTube about Montego Bay, and I just kind of showing the different street foods that you have. You want to be in it?
No.
So how much for one of these? 100 for this, and if I want the 200, and then the one down here 100 in shell too. And she has big ones as well.
1,500 and 2,000.
Honey, garlic, and eucalyptus oil. What is it good for? Colon sinus. Okay, how long you keep it in there for? For a lifetime, and the whole squad. Honey, garlic, and eucalyptus. So how much we look at this? It's about 1,200. And the rest of them is just honey. And this is like molasses.
Hello.
So how much for something like that? 350. Okay. That's what it's called, bad dog? Okay. Repeat that. This is what? Top dog? Top dog?
Yeah, top dog.
Alright, cool. Sam Sharp Square. I can't take it? Alright, cool. But like how you set it up though, it look nice. crab, right? You can
Yes,
tell me about the
ma'am.
different crab? I've never had it before, so
Okay.
excuse me.
Here we have the curry crab.
Curry crab?
Yes, this is the curry crab. And we have 300 and 500.
300 and 500.
Yes.
Don't
And-
laugh, it cook already, right?
Yeah, this is prepared already, just ready to eat.
Ready to eat. 3
Yes.
and 500.
Yes. And over here we have the boiled one. And we also have from 300 to 500 range.
The boiled one.
Yeah, so this they prepare already, ready to eat.
Okay.
Right.
So what kind of seasoning you put in there?
All different type of season we use. And we use pimento, garlic, scallion, thyme, pepper, and powder seasoning.
Powder
Of your
seasoning.
choice.
Okay. How long
And
it take to
salt.
prepare?
Roughly maybe an hour.
Okay.
A shell food. So so shell food you can cook shell food long. So maybe an hour.
Okay. You have a lot of business people actually come and buy the stuff, the crab
Yes.
during the day?
Yes.
On Church Street.
Yes.
Where are you going, little ant? A piece of the tree just fell. It felt bigger than that. It hit me in my back.
No, me. We did it last, I mean. Crab season done it last week, I mean. When you crab get over the pricing. How many I November crab season? You make mistake then, man. Ah, you want me to say? Me not go, man. I'm going to say a mistake you make. Crab season done not me. By next 2 weeks. By next 2 weeks, crab. You're partying, man. Why go put 2 foot by the crab? You see?
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need.